Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a looping video background in Wix Studio. So, if you're designing a stunning website and want a dynamic, eye-catching backdrop behind your content, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring your site to life with a video background that playfully loops over and over, no matter what page your visitors are on. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is add a media video that will act as our looping background. Now, in Wix Studio, this is actually super straightforward. Go to your editor and look for the section on your page where you want the video background to appear. Once you're there, click on the option to add media. You'll usually see an Add button, and when you click it, you'll get a menu of choices. For a video background, it's important to make sure you're really working with a video and not just a photo or animation, so it's time to apply a filter. In the filter dropdown, set it to Video. This will narrow down your choices and make the process a whole lot easier. Sometimes people forget about the filter and it's easy to get lost scrolling through lots of images. Setting the filter helps you go straight for what you want, the actual videos that Wix provides. You'll see a list of stock videos appear. These are all professionally done and ready to use. Take a moment to scroll and pick one that fits the mood or style of your website. For example, if you're building a site for a coffee shop, a cozy cafe video might be perfect. If it's for something techy, maybe go for swirling shapes or futuristic visuals. Once you've chosen your video, simply click on it, and Wix will automatically place it onto your site. But here's the special part. Now we're going to make it the background. Look for the Change Background option, and click that to set your selected video as your page's background. This is when the magic happens. Wix will automatically loop your video so it plays seamlessly over and over. No need to worry about awkward pauses or restarts. Your visitors will see a smooth, continuous motion, really giving your website that professional, modern feel. Next, let's add some typed text over your looping video. This is important because even with a really captivating background, you still need a clear message or a call to action front and center. Go back to your editing menu and select Text. You'll see all kinds of font and size options, so pick what suits your style and your site's vibe. Position the text somewhere that it's readable. Don't be afraid to experiment with color or add a drop shadow if the background is making the text hard to see. If you're aiming for a landing page effect, maybe type out a catchy headline or your business name. Once you've got the video set and your text in place, it's time for the moment of truth. Click on Preview. Take a few seconds to watch how everything looks together. Is the video looping smoothly? Is your text visible and clear? Or does it get lost against the animation? Sometimes you'll need to tweak the placement, color, or even the video itself. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to get it just right. That's totally normal. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a looping video background on your Wix Studio site, complete with stylish text. This simple upgrade can seriously level up your website's visual impact and help you stand out from the crowd. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if you ran into tricky spots along the way, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.